Given that BC is equal to 16 centimeter, CD is equal to 20 centimeter, and angle BCD is equal to 100 degrees, find the area of the parallelogram. We're going to use the formula A is equal to AB sine C. We just need to substitute their values. A is equal to 16, B, which is 20, and 100 degrees. Using the scientific calculator, we came up of an answer 315.138481. Rounding it off, we got an answer 315 centimeters squared.